Something new is coming with our big system upgrades. Say hello to individual logins. On June 3rd, you will register for digital banking and create your own unique username and password. If you are a joint owner of an account, you will also register using your information. Once you register and log in, you'll see all accounts on which you are listed. Let's meet Joe and Jane to help explain this exciting change. Meet Joe. Joe is the primary account owner for his auto loan, savings, checking, and credit card. Meet Jane. She is the joint owner on Joe's savings, checking, and credit card. Jane is not joint owner on Joe's auto loan. Before June 3rd, Joe and Jane share a single digital banking login. That means when they sign in, Joe and Jane both see all accounts listed for Joe. Beginning June 3rd, Joe and Jane will each have their own individual login. When Joe logs in, he will see his auto loan, savings, checking, and credit card. When Jane logs in, she will see her personal savings and the joint accounts she shares with Joe. Joe cannot see Jane's personal savings account, and Jane cannot see Joe's auto loan because they are not joint owners on those specific accounts. Remember, on June 3rd, all users, including joint owners, must register for their individual login. This new upgrade provides enhanced security and a more personalized experience.
Yay!
Visit tvacreditunion.com and follow us on social media for updates on our digital transformation.
Join us